that it? Nope.
Asteroid Fight Club is where we fight asteroids, and asteroids are a metaphor for anything that can destroy society.
You're right, sir. Asteroids are close.
We have now become accustomed to many services provided from space in our daily lives.
This is of grave concern to all the people of Earth.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Volcanoes.
This is a THORnews presentation. THORnews presents...
Welcome to Asteroid Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor. Today we have anytime you get tornadoes around volcanoes, it's definitely an event to pay attention to. I would guess there is a lot of solar stuff happening right now. For sure, without a doubt. Ladies and gentlemen, you've got another wild and unpredictable storm system heading into California and the Pacific Northwest. And this is showing a lot of danger signs to possible severe weather. And that red dot's on top of the volcanoes, man. That red dot's on top of the volcanoes. Boom.
Volcanoes.
Just saying. You had surprise tornadoes near Miami today. Ooh, look at those Gulf clouds. Stay cool. I appreciate you.
Happy birthday to you.
All right, okay. It's been a challenging few years, for sure. But I'm happy. That is because of each and every one of you. I'm the luckiest man alive.
Make a wish, buddy.
What's up for February? Venus and Mars make quite the pair. While Jupiter and the Moon are each other's Valentine.
If a large asteroid were heading to Earth, what would happen? Well, that's a good question.
You are all fucked in under an hour. Under 1 hour, you're done. Every one of you.
Just say no to civil war.
Avoid World War III.
The Y2K. I have Y2K, post-traumatic stress disorder. What is the worst thing that could happen if we all work together?
THORnews is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around.
Yet you can't get a promotion, you won't retire. Despite your best efforts, you refuse to die.
Welcome to Asteroid Fight Club. I'm your host, Thor. I know, tornadoes by volcanoes is always an interesting occurrence. You've just had a rare eruption from the South Pole of our home star, the sun, and we are less than 2 months away from a total solar Texan and American eclipse. And it has been a wonderful Asteroid Fight Club 11-year anniversary weekend. Welcome to year 12. We're almost 100 hours in. I'm feeling very optimistic, while also trying to pay attention to all the real-world details.
Planetary defense is a team sport.
I've got a video message.
I'm gonna have to science the shit out of this.
Hit the button, baby. Stay cool.